Hello everyone. In this video, let's now go through the process of testing and publishing a Copilot agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio step by step. We begin by setting up the system-provided greeting topic. This is the first interaction users will experience when they start the chat. Make sure the welcome message is friendly and aligns with your agent's purpose. It should introduce the Copilot's role and encourage the user to continue the conversation. Next, we extend the conversation by adding a custom prompt. This could be a simple question like, "Please enter your query," or "What would you like help with today?" We configure this prompt to capture the user's entire response, and we store that input in a variable, so it can be used in later steps. Once the user's input is collected, we use AI to generate a relevant response. To do this, we add a new node, specifically the generative answer action. Here, we select the variable that holds the user's input and connect it to a data source, such as a website or document previously added to our Copilot. This enables the Copilot to retrieve and present accurate, context-aware information dynamically. After generating the AI response, we conclude the flow by adding the End All Topics node. This provides a clean exit point and ensures the conversation doesn't loop unnecessarily. It also allows the agent to reset and be ready for a new topic or follow-up interaction. Now, it's time to test the full experience. We use the built-in test chat panel on the right side of Copilot Studio. Here, we can simulate real user inputs and verify how the Copilot responds. We check for trigger accuracy, variable mapping, and the overall conversation logic. If needed, we make refinements to improve the user experience. Finally, once testing is complete, we publish the agent. Navigate to the Publish section and click Publish to make your latest version live. After that, you can configure the deployment channels like the demo website, Microsoft Teams, or SharePoint, depending on where you want users to access the agent. Let's walk through a complete experience using Microsoft Copilot Studio, where we've built an agent designed to help users explore the origins of baby names. The conversation begins simply. I type "Hi" into the chat. Instantly, the Copilot responds with a friendly greeting. "Hello, I can help you find the origin of a baby name. Please provide a name you'd like to explore." Then, it asks the user, "What is your baby name?" prompting the user to enter a name. I reply with the name Alyssa. At this point, the real magic happens. The Copilot uses a connected knowledge source to fetch detailed information about that name. Let's look at the response it generates. Times name, Alyssa. Times gender, feminine. Times usage, English. Meaning and history. Alyssa is a variant of Alicia. The name has also been influenced by the alism flower derived from Greek. Times a meaning not. Times Lissa, meaning madness or rabies. Historically, the alism flower was believed to cure madness, hence the association. Popularity. Alyssa is widely used in countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, Belgium, France, and many more. Categories and associations. The name appears in pop culture and thematic categories such as times modern, natural, refined, and wholesome. Times characters from Resident Evil, Power Rangers, Dream SMP, and even RuPaul's Drag Race. Now, let me walk you through how this is built inside Copilot Studio. We start by navigating to the Topics tab. Here, we'll find two types of topics, System and Custom. We open the Greeting topic. Inside, we see the trigger that activates when the user starts the conversation. The Copilot sends an initial message. "Hello, I can help you find the origin of a baby name. Please provide a name you'd like to explore." Followed by the question, "What is the baby name?" Now, to capture the user's input, we configure the question to identify the user's entire response and store it in a variable. Let's name this variable baby name. Next, we need to generate a dynamic answer using that input. To do this, we click the plus icon, go to Advanced, and choose Create Generative Answer. We configure the input by selecting the variable, in this case, baby name. Then, we edit the data sources and select the website knowledge source we added earlier. This allows the AI to retrieve and generate accurate, informative responses. Finally, we end the flow by adding the End All Topics action. And just like that, our Copilot is ready. It responds intelligently to user input, retrieves knowledge from connected sources, and delivers natural, human-like responses, all without writing a single line of code. This is a great example of how Microsoft Copilot Studio can be used to build intelligent, conversational agents tailored to specific use cases like this baby name dictionary Copilot. That's it. Everything is now set up. All we need to do is click Publish. And within a few seconds, the agent will be successfully published. Once it's live, we can head over to the Channels section. Here, you'll see multiple deployment options, including demo website, Microsoft Teams, and SharePoint. For this example, I'll go ahead and show you Microsoft Teams. As you can see, I've already added the agent to Teams and it's ready to use. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to build, test, and publish an agent using Microsoft Copilot Studio. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crm1s.com.